Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're looking at a 2017 Kia Forte5. That's the hatchback version of the Forte. That big green sign in the upper right hand side of the windshield says the car is qualified under the Kia Certified Pre-Owned program. Something you may want to check out and ask our business manager about all the features and benefits of that program. Of course, as you can see, it has fog lights, has signal repeaters in the mirrors. Let's take a look inside. As we get on the car, you notice the sign says Sirius XM is on. There's a 3-month trial of Sirius XM that's included with this car. Inside we have power windows, locks, and mirrors. Of course, heated mirrors on the outside. Some of the controls. And of course the steering wheel, which has your audio and cruise controls as well as various other functions for the car. Car only has 22,436 kilometers. Nice big radio screen. Backup camera. Climate control. Down below that, auxiliary and USB ports. And heated cloth seats on driver and passenger side. Driver's seat is height adjustable. Car has a 2-liter engine, 6-speed automatic transmission. Plenty of space in the back for passengers. It's also a 60-40 split rear seat, and they do fold down for extra cargo carrying capability. Having a look in the back, as you see, there's a shelf which hides anything you have in the back. Plenty of space to carry hockey bags or sports equipment or anything else for that matter. This little Kia Forte5 is available at West Coast Kia. Come and see us. We're in Maple Ridge, just over the bridge. Best way to make an informed decision about purchasing a new car that you are considering is to actually drive the car. We invite you down to do a test drive, bring the family, see how well the car will fit your needs.